Hey everyone, Ron here. Today I've got my hands on a new iPhone 11 Pro. I've had my trusty 6S for nearly 4 years now, and while it still takes pretty good pics in the sun, it doesn't do much in the dark, and that's what this video is all about, the iPhone 11's new night mode. It's not a spec video, or unboxing, or a review, or anything like that. I'm going to run through a bunch of pics and a few side-by-side videos comparing it to both my older 6S and my Panasonic Lumix G85 Micro Four Thirds mirrorless camera. One disclaimer though, the Lumix is a bit handicapped because I shot all of this tonight using its just okay kit lens, the Pani 12-60mm. I use this lens instead of a prime lens like the iPhone 11 has because I'd be able to match focal lengths with it. All of the following still photos were taken handheld, while the videos were taken from a tripod with each camera simultaneously mounted to a little rig I made up this afternoon. So, with all my gear in hand, I snapped a few photos around my house, downtown Seattle, and the beach. Here you go. Wow, right? I'm just blown away by what the new iPhone 11 Pro can do at night. It's been a few years since the smartphone destroyed the point-and-shoot market, and for the casual shooter, I think it's about to do the same for the smaller sensor mirrorless one as well. I mean, just look at this beach shot again. It was so dark, I couldn't see the ground in front of me without a headlamp. Yet here we are, able to see individual rocks, driftwood, water, all of it, without a tripod. That's handheld. However, as capable as this camera is, it does have a couple of flaws. First of all, the images in this video were taken using the iPhone's wide-angle, aka 1x, aka 26mm lens, and it does seem pretty prone to flare. Secondly, night mode is only really useful when your subject isn't moving. Because the camera takes a series of exposures, any movement will just appear as a blur in the final image. So that's all I had. The new iPhone's camera is fantastic, and I'm just thrilled with it. As per usual, if you found any of this useful, a like, share, or sub would be greatly appreciated. If not, let me know down in the comments below and or hit that thumbs down button. Okay, take care.